morning. I am Karan from Exit Public School myself. He is Amshumaali and he is me. EVAST refers to discarded electrical or electronic devices or components. 3.2 million tons of e-waste is generated in India every year and the amount is growing by 10% each year. The amount is expected to reach 1.8 million tons by 2050. E-waste disposal contributes to climate change because of the chemicals released when it is burnt. According to a study conducted in Guyu, China, a major e-waste recycling region, the concentration of air pollution is 140 times higher than in Hong Kong. Exposure to such high levels of pollution is hazardous to human health and wildlife.
Our project is self-lent multi-purpose electronic toolkit. It is made from e-waste. It has tools such as soldering gun, torchlight and a conductivity tester. These are powered by an old rechargeable battery and a solar panel. The tools are designed in such a way that they can be plugged in and plugged out from the power setup model.
Power setup model. It has a rechargeable battery, switch and a plug-in socket. The battery is charged from a solar panel. The solar panel attached will provide a voltage between 5 and 9 volts. The power input socket can be removed and any tool can be attached. The soldering gun. Carbon rods were recycled from used batteries for the soldering gun. Due to its high resistance to electric current, the carbon rod emits heat as current passes through it. A copper cap is attached to one end of the rod. Copper conducts heat well, so it takes the heat and melts the soldering lead.
Conductivity tester. It's a tool used to test the electric conductivity between two terminals, mostly used to check the conductivity in electronic circuits. An LED light is connected in the same way such that it can be connected to the base power setup. It acts like a torch.
If we are selected in the top 100, we'll engineer a better battery and also add a sensor which will stop overcharging the cell. Once we thought of finalizing a product, which was a DC powered soldering gun, we thought of adding a conductivity tester and a LED light. Once we finalized the product, we took the tools from the ATL lab. I and Amshumaali designed the bag. We all together worked on documentation. We thank our mentor for mentoring throughout our project.